So far we have seen like what the default application is. Now to quickly see some of these changes as we write code in, I will position my code editor something like this. I'll also have the running instance of my application on the side. Yep. I'll expand this a bit and position it right here. Now we'll try to create like a simple hello world application of our own that we also understand. What I'll do is I'll come down here where class my homepage is written and close this, get rid of some of this default code which I don't really need right now. So I will remove this from here and also get rid of these comments that are here on the screen right now. So this would make the whole code a bit shorter, and you'll see like we have a main function which is the first function to get control, and we also have we have something called a my app widget which is basically being run right here. I'll tell you all about what widgets are, but what I'll do quickly is I'll get rid of this my homepage right here. And now to build our hello world application, I can type in text and pass in a string which would be hello world. If I save this right now, you'll see like a hello world appear right here, but it's not it's not very good UI wise. But this is like a very simple code to create your first hello world application in Flutter. What we have done so far is we have a main function which runs this my app. My app right here is a stateless widget, and I'll tell you all about widgets in this. But what it does is basically it returns a material app with something called title, Flutter demo, a theme, and a home set to something called text. Text again here is a widget which takes in a string to display on screen right here. To make it more UI friendly, I can quickly tap on this bulb like icon and I can say wrap with the widget, call this widget a scaffold. And instead of having a child, a scaffold would have a body. If I save this really quick, you'll see hello world appear better on screen. So what are these widgets? What is this scaffold? What is this text? Let's see this in the next video.